Okay everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can add music or song with InShot to your video. The way you can add music in this video with InShot, you just click music icon in here, and now you can add from your voice with record, or you can add music from your gallery. In this tutorial I will try to import music from my gallery. After that you can select my music, and now I will try add this music and select use. We have done add music to your video and I will play.
They are known for their flagship product, the Matterport. Matterport is known for its 3D spatial data capture technology. One of their key products is the Matterport Pro.
That is the way how you can add music with InShot to your video. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like and leave the comment on this video. Thank you.